Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing NBA Live Mobile. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, launch the game and complete the interactive tutorial. This will teach you essential controls like shooting, passing, and defending. After the tutorial, you'll select your favorite NBA team, which helps determine your starting player cards. It's a quick and easy way to jump right into the action and begin your basketball journey. Once you've completed the initial setup, focus on building a strong team. You can acquire new player cards by opening packs, bidding in the auction house, or earning them through live events. Upgrading your players' skills and overall ratings is crucial for better performance on the court. Remember to strategically manage your roster, ensuring good team chemistry and players in their correct positions for maximum effectiveness in games. NBA Live Mobile offers several exciting game modes to keep you engaged. Dive into seasons to play through a full NBA schedule or challenge yourself in campaigns with unique objectives. Test your skills against other players in head-to-head matches. Mastering advanced controls like specific dribble moves and shot blocking will give you a significant edge. Don't forget to complete your daily objectives for extra coins and valuable player items. To truly excel, consider joining a league. Leagues allow you to collaborate with other players, participate in league versus league tournaments, and earn exclusive rewards that are hard to find elsewhere. Always keep an eye out for special limited-time events. These often offer unique challenges and the chance to acquire rare and powerful player cards. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space as clean as your gameplay. These events are key to building an elite squad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.